Hey everyone, how's it going? If you follow my social media, then it probably won't surprise you to know that I'm a bit of a Lego fan. So here's an interesting one. What do you do when you're finished? There's loads of display solutions that are coming to market, whether it's display cubes or wall mounts and even light kits. So it's the latter of these that I want to talk about today because my awesome wife got me this light kit for my birthday for the Lunar lander. Now, Lightailing appear to be of the more well-known brands with these kind of light sets and actually really well rated on Marketplace too. So I wanted to get this thing installed, show you what it looks like when it's finished and what I think of it. So let's get to it. And then how does that look? I mean, straight away that looks pretty cool. So now I've got this kit installed, I'm just going to give you a quick tour around the model and show you what it looks like all finished. So starting at the bottom, these were the first lights that we installed. These are kind of go by the main lander engine. Absolutely perfect for this little model because they light up the actual base plate. And then coming up, you've got the 3 blue LEDs that sit at the entrance of the main cabin. And then of course in the actual cabin itself, we've got the main lighting that lights up all inside, and it comes out through the windows throughout the model, which looks awesome too. And then lastly, the 4 LEDs that are installed on the orbital thrusters. I don't actually know the technical name for them in the real lunar lander, but obviously you can see them on this model. All 4, 1 on each arm, and this is probably the only place where you're going to really notice the wires just sticking out the model a little bit because they're not going inside. Now ultimately, these little wires on the kind of orbital thrusters is not really an issue as such. My only issue with this kit is if we detach, and that's all these wires. There wasn't really any clear instructions for kind of like putting and feeding them so they weren't all over the place. And my only issue with that is obviously it's a bit difficult with the locking mechanism. It's just kind of, they're just there and it's a bit of a mess. But apart from that, do I think it's worth installing? Absolutely. I mean, this kit is 40 to 50 quid and the end results are great and it really brings this model to life. Like all things Lego, obviously there's some frustrations along the way, but the end results are always worth it. I'll leave you with some more footage of the finished product. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it's helped you.
And by all means, subscribe for some more geeky stuff in the future. See you soon.